Okay, in this installment we're going to just draw a small building. We're going to select this wall tool, double clicking on it, and that will open up our parameters box. We're going to go to the coatings key, and we're going to change the default settings to something that's more appropriate for what we'll be doing, which will be 2 layers. The outside layer will be 1/2 inch. I put 0.5, and the inside will be a 2x6, so I'll put 5.5. Now both of these will change to 1/2 inch. When I say OK, we'll double click that, open it again. There they are at 1/2 inch. I can also type in a 1/2 inch. I'm going to change this hatch pattern to an insulation type of hatch pattern. Select OK. We'll go with this reference line position, should be proper. If it's not, we'll switch to this one. Say OK. On the keyboard, I'm selecting Shift Tab. That brings up this box here. In the X position, I will type in 20. I will hit the Tab key. That brings down to the Y. Put 20 in there. And then click OK. That was a great exercise. Now we're going to do it correctly. First, left click. Now hit Shift Tab. Type in 20, Tab, 20. Hit the Enter key. Hit the space bar. And there's a 20 by 20 building, but actually it's 21 by 21. What I said originally about this being perhaps the inappropriate key, that's the one we're going to want. So we're going to choose this reference line position rather than that one. Say OK. Now I'll hit Control A. Because we're in the wall tool, all the walls will be selected, and only the walls. If I had other objects up there, if I had a roof up there or slab, those would not be selected. So Control A selects the walls. Control Delete eliminates them. Once again, incidentally, the snap is on. We'll take the snap off by hitting the S key. Snap's gone. I can eliminate the grid pattern by hitting the G key. Grid's gone. We're going to refresh this. There we go. Now, just picking a location, left click, Shift Tab at the same time, and 20, and then the Tab key, and 20, and then Enter, and then hit the space bar. There we go. There's a 20 by 20 building. Now for the roof, let's put on a hip roof. We'll begin by selecting the roof key, and this is a gable roof. This is a hip roof right here. We'll select that key. I'm going to go down to the offset bar and left click on that, type in 1. That gives me a 1 foot overhang. Say OK to that. Double click on this. Right now the roof is at a 612. That's good. And the bottom of the roof is 8'7", which we don't really want. We want this probably to be more like the 612. This is a little bit of a guess here. We're going to go with 7'9". Then as the roof inclines, that'll bring us over to the wall where we'll be roughly 8 feet. Because we have the offset at 1 foot, I'm just going to follow the roof, follow the walls from corner to corner. And now we're done. And there it is. Right clicking will open up the 3D perspective view. And there is the little building we've just drawn. Let's swing her down a little bit and take a look, see where those walls are. See how the roof comes up into the walls. And that's it. That's how quick it is to just draw a small building. Right click again, then select the 2D general view. That brings us back to our drawing.